In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect WordPress form in Kit. To begin, you will be working inside your app setup area, where you can add a connection to WordPress. This is the place where you tell the system which service you want to use, so it can integrate forms properly. First, click Apps. On screen, look for a navigation menu that includes an Apps option. When you select it, you should see a section where you can manage integrations and add new applications. This matters because WordPress is not added directly from a random page. You need to start from the Apps area so the setup wizard knows you want to connect a third-party service. After you click Apps, the next thing is to search WordPress. Take a moment to use the search field if it is available. Type WordPress carefully so the correct result appears. Searching helps you avoid scrolling through many applications, and it also reduces the chance of selecting the wrong service. Once the results update, you should see an entry specifically for WordPress, which you can recognize by its name and its typical installation prompt. Next, click Install. When you click Install, you are essentially starting the integration process. This step usually opens a setup flow or brings up installation options. You may see a progress indicator or a panel that confirms that WordPress is being added. This is important because nothing will be fully connected until you complete the install and move through the setup screens. Now that WordPress is selected and installation is underway, you will need to complete the setup. This is the part where the integration becomes active and where you confirm the settings needed for the connection. Depending on your interface, you may be asked to authorize access, choose a workspace, or confirm configuration details. Follow what appears on screen and make sure each prompt is completed in the order it is presented. As you complete the setup, pay close attention to any fields that require selection or confirmation. For example, if the setup offers options for what type of form connection you want, choose the one that matches your goal. If it asks you to confirm installation or review permissions, take a moment to read the information so you understand what you are allowing. This careful approach helps ensure the WordPress form connection works correctly when you later use it in your project. If you encounter a page that looks like a confirmation screen, check that WordPress shows as installed or connected. Sometimes there is a final button such as Confirm, Finish, or Complete. Use the appropriate action to confirm the installation. After that, the integration should be ready, and you can return to your forms and connect them as needed. If there is a status message, it should indicate that the connection is successful. Finally, after you complete the setup, you should be able to move forward confidently, knowing the WordPress connection is in place. If your interface provides a way to test or verify the integration, you may use it, but the key requirement is that the setup flow ends with WordPress fully installed and connected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.